In this video, we will see what is abstraction in Java. Abstraction is the process of hiding the implementation details and showing only functionality to the user. Abstraction is the process of separating ideas from their action. Abstraction in Java is implemented using abstract classes and interfaces. A class which is declared as abstract is known as abstract class. It can have abstract and non-abstract methods. A method which is declared as abstract and it does not have implementation or body is known as abstract method. In this example, UPI payment is declared as abstract. So this class we can able to say as abstract class, and it is having one abstract method of do payment and one concrete method also there. So if a class is having abstract methods, that abstract methods will be implemented in the subclass. We cannot create objects to the abstract classes, but we can create objects to the its subclasses. By using subclass object, we can able to access the abstract class methods. In this example, we are having UPI payment as abstract class, and it is having do payment is one abstract method. So we have created SBI UPI payment is the class which is extending UPI payment. So when you are creating a subclass to the abstract class, that time all the abstract methods should be implemented here. So we have one abstract method, so we have overridden here. When you try to create object for abstract class, what will happen? It is giving error. In the line number 22, it is giving error saying that UPI payment is abstract, cannot be instantiated. So we cannot be able to create objects for abstract classes. We are able to create object for this subclasses, and by using this object we can able to call the abstract class methods. The methods which are not implemented or which does not have definitions must be declared with abstract keyword, and a class which contains a abstract method, that time that class also should be declared as abstract. In this example, if you see UPI payment having two abstract methods, do payment and print passbook. In the subclass, I don't want to override this print passbook, so I am declaring that method as abstract. If a class is having one abstract method, that time that class should be represented as abstract. Abstract keyword we have to use, otherwise it will give error. In this scenario, for example, if you are not overridden this method, that time if you avoid abstract keyword here in the line number 22, it will give error saying that missing method body or declare as abstract, like that it will give. If you declared method as abstract and you are not declared the class as abstract, that time that it will give error saying that class name, the SBI UPI payment must either declared as abstract or it should implement abstract method of print passbook in SBI UPI payment, like that it will say. And it is not compulsory that abstract class must have abstract methods only. It may or it may not have abstract methods. Like all Java classes, abstract classes also have constructors. You can declare any number of constructors. If you are not declare any constructor, that time J will declare default constructor. Abstract classes can have instance initialize blocks, static initialize blocks, it will allow. So these static blocks, instance initialize blocks and constructors will be executed at the time of object creation for the subclass. In this example, when you try to create object for this SBI UPI payment, first the abstract class is loading. That time it is checking for static blocks is there. The static blocks will be executed. After that, instance blocks will be executed. And when you're calling the subclass constructor, that time here default constructor will be there. This default constructor will be called the abstract class default constructor. So when you run this program, we are able to see the static and initialize blocks of abstract class are executed. This abstract keyword can be used only for methods and classes. We should not use this abstract keyword for variables and constructors. When you use, it will give error saying that modifier abstract not allowed here. Note, all these combinations are illegal in Java. When you declare a method as abstract, and when you try to add another keyword like synchronized or static, private, final, native or strictify, if you try to use both these combinations, it will give error. In this example, private and abstract, native and abstract, synchronized and abstract, final and abstract, static and abstract, strict EFP and abstract. We are giving these combinations and we are checking. Here it is giving error. Illegal combination of modifiers. Many of the interviews they will ask, what will happen if you declare a method as final and abstract, private and abstract, or static and abstract? Like that they will ask. We can say these combinations are illegal because if you declare a private and abstract, abstract will talk about implementation in the subclass, but private method will not be available in the subclass. In the same way, native method also will talk about implementation, but this abstract method will talk about no implementation. And synchronized also will talk about implementation. Abstract won't talk about implementation. Final and abstract. This abstract method compulsory it should implement in the subclass, but final methods cannot be overridden in the subclass. The static methods cannot be overridden in the subclass. So this one also will not applicable. Strictify. This will also expect some implementation. That is the reason these combinations are illegal in Java. This is all about abstraction in Java. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.